Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from MQC2, want to present this digital library in Europe. My name Nur Sakinah binti Nasri, with my friend Nur Ani Sakinah binti Mahdi and Adibah Najah binti Muhammad Nazri. We will presentation for digital library in Europe. First, National Library of Latvia. Second, Swiss National Library. Third, Digital Bodleian. And lastly, National Library STST Skyrill and Methodist.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Anisakina binti Mahdi, number metric 1191752. I will continue the presentation with introduction of National Library of Latvia. National Library of Latvia was established in 1990. The National Library of Latvia collection 4.5 million units cover all field of knowledge with a focus on social science and humanities. The primary objective of the new structure is to collect and perceive national and international literacy work and ensuring public access. The National Library of Latvia is in Mukusalas, Eliatri Riga LV 1423, Latvia, Baltic State in Europe. The advantage of National Library of Latvia is supporting higher education, research and long life learning, as this library is a center for theoretical research and practical analysis as Latvian library activities. The services in National Library of Latvia, such as inquiries and consultation for reader, reading room, excursions, reader training, information service, interlibrary loan, copying, binding, digitizations, electronic article delivery, internet, library material and personal loan. Next, the Swiss National Library. The Swiss National Library was established in 1895. The Swiss National Library make digitized newspaper title from its collection and make them available on the platform e-newspaper.ch. Periodicals also become digitized periodical from their collection and are available online at ePeriodica, which ETH Library operate that platform. The Swiss National Library aims to reflect the plurality and diversity of Swiss culture through the breadth and scope of its collection. It is a nationally significant heritage site. Swiss National Library located in Hohlstrasse 15003 3003 Bern region, Switzerland, Central Europe. Advantage of the Swiss National Library was tracking technological advance as well as changing user needs. Technological advance are evidenced by developing service, both e-service and non-e-service, to support the information needs of its user. The services in the Swiss National Library, such as internet access, scanner and copier, and the Ethic registrations, loan and the user service was provided for the library to borrow document.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Sakinah binti Nasri, metric number 1191758. Today I will explain about Digital Bodleian. Digital Bodleian first launched in 2015 with the aim of bringing together digitized content from the Bodleian Library's extraordinary and rich collections into a single portal. The Bodleian libraries have been digitizing content since the early 1990s, and Digital Bodleian was and is designed to enable access to that content for the widest possible audience. Digital Bodleian quickly established itself as a key resource for research and teaching based on Bodleian Library's collections, and users has steadily increased over the years since its launch. Next, objective the Bodleian libraries are to develop and maintain access to Oxford distinctive collections for the benefit of academia and society, as well as to offer first-rate assistance for the University of Oxford learning, teaching, and research purposes. Location of the Bodleian Library's Pro Digital Bodleian was in St Oxford OX1 3BG, United Kingdom. Advantages Digital Bodleian are readers and the public can now access the unique collection of digitized books, manuscripts, maps, paintings, and other materials held by the Bodleian Libraries on a single website. Allow users to download images for non-commercial use and make private notes and annotations. Next, for service, Bodleian Library has provides borrow and reserve services. Users can also access materials if they are not in the Bodleian Library, such as scan and delivery, print and delivery, special collections, mediated copy. Library collections in the Bodleian Libraries are committed to digitizing as many of special collections holdings as possible, but the vastness of these holdings means that only a relatively small amount is available online. If you would like to explore their special collection further, there are several additional online resources available. These include the main library catalog, print collection, solo, where information about rare books can be found, Bodleian archives, and manuscripts, which contains information about post 1,500 archival and manuscript collections, and numerous TEI catalogs, which contain records for Western medieval and non-Western manuscript collections.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Adiba Najiha binti Muhammad Nazri, biometric number 1191769. The National Library ST.ST Serial and Methodius. It is the National Library of Republic of Bulgaria. It is the greatest library in the country. The digitalization of National Library literary heritage began in 2006, and the scanned image became available for use on the library website in the autumn of 2007. By the start of 2018, many sources had been scanned and added to the digital library. Digital copies in their entirety are made available for free. Next, the aim of this library is to collect the Bulgarian national bibliography and maintaining the main library collection. Second, to collect manuscript, all printed books and all publications written in Bulgarian or by Bulgarian authors in foreign language. Location at Sofia 150488 Vasilevsky. Next, collection. There is 6 types of collection for this library. First, Bulgarian Historical Archive. Second, all printed and rare valuable books. Third, Slavic and foreign language manuscript. Fourth, Oriental collection. Fifth, official publication. And lastly, cartographic and graphic edition. Services. There are 3 types of services. First, specialized services. Second, other services. Third, reader services. For example of the specialized services are evaluation of rare and valuable document. Second, other services is National ISBN Agency, National ISSN Agency. For example of the reader services are reader registration, reading rooms, database, online service for readers, and others. Next, the advantages of this library. First, the largest literary treasure in Bulgaria. Second, buildings that are full of art. Third, stores various types of old manuscript. Fourth, an interlibrary loan. For conclusion, various means and methods had been used to save the historical relic for the future generation. Second, accurate copies of the original source can be produced definitely same as the original. Third, it is easy for users to access. Fourth, it also can use a variety of search terms related to word or sentence for the entire library. Lastly, Digital libraries can provide a simple interface providing clickable access to its resources. Thank you for your time.